I'm at Cocker Engineering in Sheffield. This company does both turning and milling. We're here specifically for Hurco. You can see they've got Hurco machining centres on the right. The main reason and the main draw for us today is the fact that they've just bought a brand new Hurco, and it's this one behind me, which is the VMX84 SWi. This is the first machine into the UK market. Ian, good morning. It's fair to say that I'm told that size isn't everything, but I think it is for you here, isn't it, with this machine?
Yeah, that's correct.
Is the reason you bought it because of the size?
Yeah, because it gives us increased capacity on jobs that we normally may have had to send back to as customer for milling, that we can accommodate these work pieces now.
And when you look at your business, having a machine of this size and this nature, I suppose it gives you the edge over your competition,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it puts you in a bit of a niche market, because there's not a lot of people who have the capacity that we've got as a small company or a small outfit like us.
Because as we walked past, we saw your smaller Hurco machines, so they can do the smaller components, but this gives you more flexibility.
It does, yeah, that's correct. We can take the longer work pieces on, and we've got a much larger Y-axis, so we can accommodate larger diameter work pieces.
Do you know what that Y-axis is?
I think it's about 860 mil, something like that.
So it's pretty big. Now, looking at it here, it looks like it could just be a straightforward 3-axis vertical, but it's not, is it? It's 5-axis.
No, it's actually a full 5-axis machine with a tilting B-axis on the head.
And you've also got a rotary table to give you your...
Yeah, we've got a rotary axis that enables us to use it upright or on its bike.
So it's a common argument, Ian. Why would you go for a machine of this nature rather than like a VM42 5-axis machine?
Because when you're machining, the machine is never big enough for the jobs that you're doing. We wanted to give us something that will give us a bigger scope of supply and give us a bit more competitive edge.
And I suppose with the fact that you've got this big 4th axis unit as well, if you use that, you can do the part here that we're going to talk about in a minute, but you can take that off and then you could use almost this, is it 2-metre bed to put?
It's about 2.1 metres in the X-axis that we've got.
What's the spec of the machine, Ian?
Oh, well, it's the 40 tool changer. We've got through coolant spindle.
And what's the speed of the spindle?
It goes up to 12,000 RPM.
Now, a common point as well within our videos for Hurco, the control. What do you like about it?
Oh, it's incredibly easy to program.
And as your business is doing lots of one-off parts like that we've got on the table here, does that control assist you?
Yeah, it's quick to get up and running. You can be up and running in 5 or 10 minutes when you've got your job clamped on table.
Now, what are you machining here? Tell us about this part.
It's a bronze ball valve.
Okay, and how do you go about it? Do you do the turning on another machine, then you bring it on here?
Yeah, it's turned on the machine, then we put it on the 4th axis, laid on its back, so we can actually get to more sides of the job in one go. So we can actually attack 5 sides in one go.
Now, it looks like a small part when you put it on this machine, but it's not actually, it's quite big, isn't it?
That's correct, yeah, it is quite a big part.
And would this be the sort of part that you're machining on a daily basis? I mean, the material in itself, you say it's bronze alley. Yeah. Are you tackling anything more challenging on your Hurco machines?
We machine stainless and we machine Inconel parts on here.
And it handles that no problem?
It's absolutely fine, yeah.
Okay, and your journey with Hurco, when did it start in?
It started in 2008 when I bought my first Hurco and I bought VMX50.
And your business itself, who are you working for?
We work in the oil and gas, and we work in the rolling mill guide industry, and we work a lot with Sheffield University with new high technology projects that they're working on.
And it's fair to say now with this machine there's no part that's too big for Cocker Engineering?
That's right, that's absolutely correct.